In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a product show as sold out on Shopify. This is really useful when you've run out of stock, you're discontinuing an item, or you just want to temporarily stop people from buying a specific product without deleting it from your store. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From here, look for the option labeled Products. Click on that. This takes you to a list of all the products in your store, including active items, drafts, and archived ones, depending on your filters. Now, find the specific product you want to mark as sold out. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to type in the product name or SKU. Once you see it in the list, click on the product title to open its details page. On the product page, scroll down until you reach the inventory section. This is where Shopify keeps track of your stock levels. Here you'll see details like available and on hand, which show how many units you currently have in stock for that product, or for each variant if it has different sizes or colors. Next, you want to adjust the stock so that Shopify treats this product as having no inventory. Look for the quantity controls near on hand or available and click where you can adjust the quantity. A small drop-down or panel will appear, showing a field labeled something like new or adjust by. In that empty field under new, type the number 0. What you're doing here is telling Shopify that the new quantity should be 0, which effectively makes the product unavailable for purchase. After entering 0, confirm the change by clicking the button that's highlighted or clearly prompts you to apply the update. This will update the inventory level for that product to 0 units. Once that's done, scroll back up or down to the top or bottom of the page and click the Save button. Saving is important. If you skip this, your inventory change won't be applied and the product may still show as in stock on your storefront. Finally, to double check everything, click on View on the product page. This opens the product as your customers see it. You should now see that the product is marked as sold out, and the Add to Cart button should be disabled or replaced with a sold out message.